I just watched your gratitude videos and it made me want to leave you one. And I should have left one earlier to start, but here we go. Oh, and if you haven't watched your classmates' videos and left responses, I really encourage you to do that because it just makes the class cozier. It really does. I know it's weird to make a video sitting alone in a room. I'm feeling it, but um, if you watch your classmates' videos and leave responses, it kind of works. Kind of works. So, I'm grateful for a ton of things. As you get older, I think, or at least it's true for me, I've become more grateful, and it's hard to narrow it down to three. I am above all grateful for my children, my two kids. They fill my heart, my home with love and crazy. Um, I'm grateful for my home, especially because I have to stay in it all the time now. I feel really comfortable here, and it's just how I want it to be. It's just how I like it. And I'm grateful for stories. I'm a story addict and all kinds of stories. Harry Potter with my daughter, um, historical fiction when I can, podcasts, Radio Lab. Oh, a million stories. There are a lot of places I go for stories, but I love stories and I'm grateful for them. I'm grateful for you. Grateful for my students. That sounds funny, maybe, but I love my job. But I love my job because I love my students. And watching your videos and seeing what kind, upstanding people you are just confirms that. I don't express my gratitude enough. So busy. I'm always busy. But when I slow down to think about all that I'm grateful for, haven't even mentioned half of what I'm grateful for, I feel happy. I have to slow down though. I have to slow down and be intentional and think about it. And I get really happy.